Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online by clicking. This is fast and easy method which is perfect for regular people like me and you who want to make passive income. You can start making money right now with this free website that I'm about to share with you, and you can put it up on autopilot to create even more money. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more money. Make sure to follow all the steps and enjoy watching. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. AffPlus is the most current website I'd like to recommend to you. As you can see, the amount of money you can earn varies between $2 or $100. You can also look through the website's numerous categories. Before I tell you how to make money on this website, I'd like to explain how it works. So with AffPlus, you're not selling anything. Instead, you're tempting people to click on the app's link. AffPlus.com also serves as an affiliate offer search engine, assisting users in locating affiliate programs and CPA opportunities. Please hover your cursor over the search field. It will show you the most popular categories to concentrate on, and you can begin researching the areas that could bring you the most money quickly. Dating is at the top of the list, followed by mobile, weight reduction, SOI, Nutra, and other topics. The health and weight loss industry in general allows you to make the most money of all the others. To see all of the videos available links, simply click the button. We'll concentrate on the health category. As you can see, one offer pays $30, while other offer pays you $101. On this platform, the quantity of money you can make is limitless. Isn't that incredible? On AffPlus, you can get various money streams by doing nothing but clicking. I'll use this Guru Media Cellular Health Study as an example for number 81. You won't have to sell anything. All you have to do is share their links to a variety of websites. You will get money if they click on the link. That's all there is to it. It doesn't necessitate any prior knowledge or skills. To go to the next phase, click the blue Join Network button. On the next screen, you'll be asked if you're an advertiser or an affiliate. For this stage, choose affiliate or publisher, and then bring me better payouts, more offers, and weekly payments, which will quickly take you to the sign up page. Keep in mind that, as you can see, there is a phrase highlighted in yellow here. In the contact information field, partial or incomplete contributions will be ignored. Simply complete and submit the form with your basic personal information. Don't forget to fill out the sign-up page if you don't want your application to be rejected. They'll offer you your unique affiliate link after you're finished. The URL will then be shared for others to use on the internet. I understand that manually transferring links is time-consuming, so I'll give you a service that will aggregate links for you. As a result, you'll be able to disseminate a variety of offers of various links in one convenient location. People who click on that one link will be given the choice of selecting from 5, 6, or even 10 distinct offers. The nicest part about this service is that you may produce multiple revenue streams from a single place. Let me demonstrate how it works. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money making strategies online. To begin, we'll go to Linktree, a website that allows us to aggregate all of our links in one place. You can insert one free link in this blank. You can see it here. You can manage all of your links in one spot when you use Linktree. When you share your unique link to other sites on the internet, it will reflect the many links offers you placed on that stream. On Linktree, for example, you may see the numerous existing streams by scrolling down to the bottom of the page. You'll find everything you need right there. As you can see, Selena Gomez also uses Linktree. When you click on her link, you'll notice that it's actually a collection of other URLs. The first link will take you to her most recent song, while the second link will take you to her store, and so on. That's something we'd appreciate, especially because we need people to click on our site. Make sure you sign up for a Linktree account before you do anything else. On the homepage, the sign up button is in the upper right corner. Linktree registration is straightforward. You only need to enter your username and password, as well as a link to the stream. Remember to include your email address and password. Signing up for a Linktree takes only a few seconds, and then you must input your name for me. I'll simply add Samara Young to the mix. Before continuing, choose up to 3 separate categories that best describes your Linktree. As an example, let's look at the health and well-being. Because the links I'll be providing are all about health, all you have to do now is confirm that you're not a robot by clicking "I'm not a robot." Simply choose the free option for this part, and you'll get all of the essential features. Select Continue from the free option. Keep an eye out on your inbox for a verification email. I'll show you how to make a link in your Linktree account. When you first arrive on the main page, you'll see a green button that says Create New Link. Simply click it, and you'll be able to add your first link right here. This area is completely optional. However, you can list the various links in order of how much they'll pay you for the first link. I'd like you to find an offer that will pay you the most money possible. For example, I'd like you to supply this 59-year-old woman with a good blood pressure VSL. I'll copy the link and go back to Linktree. Copy the link and paste it into this area. I'm going to put something in the title like "Start a Healthy Lifestyle Right Away." And then switch them on by clicking this bar right here. Now we have our first link, which when clicked will transport users to the main website. I'll utilize this Rhino Ignite Men's Health by Ambalaya affiliate, which costs $30 for the second link. So I'll copy and paste my one-of-a-kind affiliate link into Linktree for this one. I'll modify the title and add a link to see how healthy you are. After that, I'll simply click the link to activate it, and viewers of your Linktree broadcast will have access to it. Repeat the process for the remaining connections until you have about 6 to 10 links on your Linktree file. Let's imagine you finished your Linktree stream and now you need to find out how to get a lot of people to click on your link so you can make money on autopilot. Now all you have to do is copy and paste your Linktree link into Twitter. This will be a straightforward step for you because I know you're on Twitter. Now if you search Twitter for how to be healthy or weight loss or anything you're trying to advertise, the results will vary depending on what you're trying to sell. Simply reply to their tweets with your Linktree, which has both your unique link and a few call to action words. After then, you can utilize this method to go over the steps again and again. I guarantee you'll make a ton of money every day on complete autopilot thanks to this website, Linktree. Now go out and do it on your own and profit handsomely. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online by clicking. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.